What's up, guys? It's Stan from DC Motorsports, back here in the shop. This is my job. We're not moved into our new shop yet. I still have a lot of electrical issues going on over there, so my buddy who I rent the shop with, we're going to be running all new electrical lines in there, all new outlets. You saw the other day I was putting up some new LED lights. So we got a couple things we need to do. We also have some tools I gotta buy, a compressor. So a lot of that stuff's going on right now, but for now, we're working here at my job on the Green Turdle project. Now, I don't know if any of you follow social media and whatnot, but yesterday we posted about doing the shocks. I got the shock tabs on the driver's side welded up, partially welded up, they're tacked in. And I was gonna tack up the hoop yesterday and we ran out of gas. So I had to wake up early this morning, go over the air weld, go get the gas. So now we're just finishing that up. As you can see here, we have the shock tabs down there. Then we got our shock hoops up here. So that's what we're working on today. I'll be taking some video. My buddy Zach's here somewhere. He's hanging out with me today. He's giving me a hand. He's also a photographer. I'll post a link down in the description below for his Instagram. If you can give him a follow, check out his shit. So enjoy the rest of the video. Guys, we just got done welding on the passenger side shock hoop and shock mounts. So if I can find my light as I kick air tools, we got our light. Swing this around. Got that all welded up in there. So we have our shock on this side and our shock on the other side. Now you guys will notice as you can see Zach's legs over there, that both of these shocks are slightly tilted towards the back of the truck, which, if you have done some research on how shocks work, basically as the axle comes up, it actually pushes backwards. That's why the shackles articulate backwards. And you want the shocks to kind of follow that arc. So as the spring compresses up, it's actually moving slightly back. So that's why the shocks are always on a kind of a tilted lean. I had someone ask me on Facebook about this earlier. And pretty much for every 2 inches of lift, you want to lay the shock back about 1 to 2 degrees. So we're about 12 inches of lift. So you divide that by 2, so that'll give you 6 inches. So technically, that'd be 6 degrees to about 8 degrees. So right now I have my shocks laid back just about 9 degrees to kind of split the difference there. So we got our shocks done. Everything's welded in. Like I mentioned before, we still got to weld the bars from the front, from the shock hoop itself to the frame. But I'm going to do that a little later on because these frame plates are not 100% welded on yet. I don't know where everything's going to sit. So that's pretty much what I got for you guys today. We're going to button up things here, and that'll be it for Project Green Turtle. Thanks guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Don't forget, I'm going to leave a link down below to my buddy Zach's Instagram. If you could just check him out, check out his pictures. And that's pretty much all I got for you guys today. See you later.